A very good morning, children. Today we are moving on to chapter 3, subtraction in maths. So what is subtraction? Let's check what is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away smaller number from a larger number. Here we have 9 minus 5. So which is the larger number? 9, and smaller number is 5, and the sign for subtraction is this. So we can read this as 9 minus 5, and the answer is 4. We need to calculate backwards for subtraction. So always it is taking away smaller number from a larger number. Here 9 is the larger number, 5 is the smaller number. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Here we have 5 minus 2. They are one digit number. So we have written ones here, 5 minus 2. How much is it? We have to count backward for subtraction. That is, we get 3. We need to count 2 times back from 5, and the answer is 3. Here we have 7 minus 4. 7 is the larger number and 4 is the smaller number. So we subtract 4 from 7, and what we get? The answer is 3. The number from which we subtract is called the minuend. The number which is subtracted from the minuend is called the subtrahend. So here we have 8 and 5. So 8 is called the minuend. The first number is the minuend, 5 is the subtrahend, and the answer that we get is called the difference. So here 3 is the difference. 8 minuend, 5 subtrahend, and 3 is the difference. You can see here 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. 16 is the minuend, 7 is the subtrahend, and 9 is the answer, and that is the difference. Here it's a number line. What is a number line? A number line is a line in which numbers are represented at equal spaces. So here we have from 0 to 10, and what we have to find out? We have to find out 4 minus 2. So from 4 we have to start. From 4 we need to count backwards. How many times? 2 times. So let's count from 4. 1, 2, and where did we reach? We reached at 2. So what is the answer? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here is another number line. Here we have to find out 6 minus 2. So from where should we start? We should start from 6, and we need to count backward. How many times? 2 times. So from 6, 1, 2, and we reached 4. So what is the answer? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So let's do an activity. You can open your notebook, write today's date and the heading subtraction, and you can write down the questions. First is 8 minus 3. Second one, 5 minus 2. And the third one, 8 minus 4. Write down the questions, pause the video, and once you have done, you can come back. We'll check the answers. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Second one is 5 minus 2. From 5, we need to count 2 backwards. And what is the answer? 3. Next, 8 minus 4. From 8, count 4 backwards. And what we get? We get 4. So, hope your answers are correct. Now, we'll move on to the subtraction facts. If we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. That is, if 5 minus 0, we get the number itself is 5. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Likewise, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 12 minus 0 is equal to 12. So, this is the subtraction fact. If we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Next, if a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Here the minuend and the subtrahend is the same. And what is the answer? 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we have a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. A minuend is a 2-digit number and the subtrahend is a 1-digit number. So we have 75 minus 3. Ones, tens. In the second number, we don't have any number in the tens place. So first we have to calculate from the ones place. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have written 2 here. And moving on to the tens place, we have 7 here. Here there is no number, so we can write the 7 itself here and the answer is 72. Next one, 54 minus 2. Here also we have a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. So first we will calculate from the ones place. We have 4 and 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. We'll move on to the tens place. We have only 5. So that 5 we can write down in the answer and we get 52. Here in your textbook, page number 33, you have this exercise. Using number line, you have to do this. The first one has been done for you. 19 minus 14. So we have to start from 19. From 19, we need to move backwards 14 times. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We reached at 5. Now what is the answer? 19 minus 14 is equal to 5. That has been already done for you. We'll move on to B, 12 minus 0. Without using this number line, we have learned the subtraction fact. So 12 minus 0 will be the number itself. So you can write down 12 there. C, 13 minus 13. The number subtracted from the number itself is 0. So what is the answer? 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. Now the D, 18 minus 6. This you can do using this number line. So from the number 18, you need to move backwards 6 times and find out the answer for that. Second one, we have subtract the following. The first question, we have a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. So we have 68 minus 4. First, we have to check the ones place. We have 8 and 4 in the ones place. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So you can write it down here in the ones place. Moving on to the tens place, we have only 6 there. So that 6 you can write it down and the answer becomes 64. Likewise, you can do the rest of the exercises. So that's all for today. Hope you understood the topic what was taught today. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.